Okay, so I just want to make this video really quick because it's something that I've been trying to figure out for over a year now, and it is driving me absolutely crazy. I have Googled it, YouTube it, I can't find anything about it. If there's anybody out there that can fucking help me with this, please let me know. So my problem is I use Restream to stream to OBS. I use OBS. Yeah, I use OBS. Restream to stream to YouTube and Kick at the same time. The problem is when I set up my stream for YouTube ahead of time, OBS won't use that stream. Restream won't use the stream that I pre-set up. It'll just start a whole new random stream. And then I got to go in after I start streaming. I have to go in, set up the thumbnail, go set up monetization, you know, do the, it'll do the title prehab, but that's all it'll do. Like I have to do everything else, all the tags, what game I'm playing, everything like that. I have to set up after I start streaming because like I said, it won't use the YouTube stream that I already set up for it. So, and like I said, I can't find, I've watched over 20 or 30 videos. I've looked it up on Reddit and it's anywhere I could on the internet. I can't find anything about it, guys. And why it's so annoying is because I have to do this thing where I have this little overlay on my OBS right here. Stream starting soon. It has a 10-minute countdown because, like I said, I have to start the stream first. And then I have to go in and set up the stream. So I have to do this little stupid countdown thing that I never used to do when I only streamed just to YouTube. And like I've had people like tell me that it's annoying to them. They're like, I kind of stopped watching your streams, you know, because like you just sit there on a stream starting screen for 10 minutes, you know, and like, or people are, you know, they just commented that they don't like it. So I'm trying to figure out a way where I can just start my stream, have my stream ready to go, hop into the game, let's go, boom, we're live, and not have to do any of that stuff after or before, whatever. So if anybody out there can help me, please let me know. Thank you so much.